In this video, I show you how to fix Paytm wiring 61007 device integrity check failed root access or system modification detected problem on Paytm app. For fixing this, first of all, check that your Paytm app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search Paytm, update your Paytm app if available any update version, and click on your profile icon in Play Store and click on Play Protect. Turn on if you disable this feature. Click on turn on, then click on settings, click on search settings, search for accessibility, click on accessibility. If you enable accessibility apps, disable it. Stop, scroll down, click on accessibility menu. If you enable it, disable it. Scroll down, then go to apps or application management, click on it, click on see all apps. Now search for Paytm, click on Paytm, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open Paytm app. Now I hope that this method fix your problem. Device integrity, check failed, root access or system modification detected problem. If this method not working, then your phone is rooted. You have to unroot your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.